Have you felt that subtle creeping shift after 40? A gradual erosion of the vitality you once knew. Less energy, more irritability, a fading spark. Many dismiss these changes as just getting older, an inevitable part of aging. But what if these weren't merely signs of time, but symptoms of a silent, invisible robber within your body? This isn't just about feeling tired, it's a fundamental shift in your internal chemistry, impacting mood, muscle mass, drive, and overall well-being. It's a phenomenon so common, yet so frequently misunderstood, it has become an epidemic among men, quietly diminishing their quality of life. At the heart of this transformation lies a hormone often reduced to simplistic notions of masculinity: testosterone. While commonly associated with libido and muscle building, testosterone is far more complex and critical. Produced primarily in the testes, this powerful steroid hormone regulates numerous physiological processes throughout a man's life. From orchestrating puberty to maintaining bone density, red blood cell production, and cognitive function, testosterone is a master conductor of male health. Its influence extends deeply, shaping not just physical prowess, but also mental and emotional landscape. Beyond the obvious, testosterone is key in maintaining energy levels, regulating mood, and influencing sleep. It's crucial for cognitive sharpness, aiding focus and memory. Think of it as the fuel powering your internal engine, impacting metabolism, fat distribution, and cardiovascular health. When testosterone levels are optimal, men often report feeling vibrant, resilient, and driven. They experience better sleep, clearer thinking, and a stronger sense of purpose. This broad influence makes its decline insidious, as symptoms can manifest in seemingly unrelated ways, making diagnosis challenging. And that's precisely where the silent robber analogy becomes apt. Symptoms of declining testosterone rarely announce themselves dramatically, instead creeping in subtly, mimicking other common complaints. Are you experiencing persistent fatigue, even after sleep? A noticeable drop in motivation for projects or the gym? Perhaps you've found yourself more irritable, anxious, or depressive without clear external cause. Many men also report decreased strength, unexplained body fat increase, especially around the midsection, or a general sluggishness. These aren't minor inconveniences. They are crucial signals from your body, often pointing to a hormonal imbalance eroding your vitality. The insidious nature of this decline means countless men accept these changes as inevitable aging. Never realizing a treatable condition is at play, they attribute lack of drive to stress, fatigue to busy schedules, and mood swings to external pressures. Overlooking these subtle cues allows the silent robber to continue its work, slowly diminishing their quality of life. Our objective today: pull back the curtain on this pervasive, misunderstood health challenge. We aim to validate your experiences, shed light on what testosterone truly does, and equip you to recognize its stealthy depletion, setting the stage for understanding its causes and, crucially, solutions. But while age plays a role, it's rarely the sole antagonist. The real saboteurs often lurk in plain sight, woven into the fabric of our modern lives. First among them is chronic stress. In today's fast-paced world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with stressors, triggering the fight-or-flight response. This isn't just a mental state, it's a profound physiological shift. When stress becomes chronic, our adrenal glands persistently pump out cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Cortisol, unfortunately, is a direct competitor to testosterone. It operates on a steal mechanism, diverting precursors that would otherwise be used to synthesize testosterone, effectively diminishing its production. This hormonal tug-of-war leaves your body prioritizing survival over vitality, a detrimental trade-off for long-term health and masculinity. Closely intertwined with stress is the epidemic of poor sleep hygiene. Sleep isn't merely a period of rest. It's a critical anabolic window for your body, a time when growth hormone and, crucially, testosterone are predominantly produced. Studies consistently show that the majority of a man's daily testosterone is synthesized during deep sleep and REM cycles. Consistently getting less than 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep or suffering from disrupted sleep patterns like sleep apnea directly curtails this vital production window. The body simply doesn't have the opportunity to repair, rebuild, and replenish its hormonal reserves, leaving you feeling perpetually drained and hormonally imbalanced. Our modern diet is another significant culprit. The pervasive consumption of refined sugars, processed foods, and unhealthy fats creates a cascade of negative effects on hormonal health. High sugar intake leads to insulin resistance, directly linked to lower testosterone levels. Furthermore, these inflammatory foods promote systemic inflammation, interfering with the endocrine system and hindering testosterone production. Beyond this, diets lacking essential micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D, vital cofactors in testosterone synthesis, effectively starve the body of the building blocks it needs. What we put into our bodies is not just fuel, it's information, and a diet of misinformation inevitably leads to a hormonal breakdown. Finally, we cannot overlook the insidious threat of environmental toxins. We are constantly exposed to a myriad of endocrine-disrupting chemicals, or EDCs, found in plastics, pesticides, personal care products, and even our food. Substances like BPA, phthalates, and certain heavy metals don't just pass through. They actively interfere with our hormonal systems. These chemicals can mimic natural hormones, blocking their receptors, or disrupting their synthesis and metabolism. They effectively confuse the body's delicate hormonal symphony, leading to reduced testosterone production and increased estrogen activity. It's a silent chemical assault on our internal biology, slowly eroding our hormonal foundations day by day. So, it's clear, while age is a factor, the dramatic decline many men experience is far from inevitable. It's a complex interplay of these modern lifestyle factors: chronic stress, disrupted sleep, nutrient-poor diets, and environmental toxins, each acting as a potent saboteur, individually and collectively chipping away at your body's ability to produce and utilize testosterone effectively. The good news, however, is that unlike chronological aging, these are largely controllable variables. Understanding these mechanisms is the first powerful step towards reclaiming your hormonal health. But knowing the enemy is only half the battle. The real transformation begins with strategic intervention. How do we fight back against these silent robbers? What practical, science-backed steps can you take right now to reverse this trend and rebuild your vitality? Having illuminated the insidious saboteurs undermining your testosterone, it's time to shift focus from diagnosis to empowerment. The transformative revelation is you're not a passive observer. Your body, an incredibly adaptive system, possesses an innate capacity for renewal. We're not talking quick fixes, but a blueprint rooted in scientific evidence, designed to awaken your dormant potential and naturally recalibrate testosterone production. This isn't about chasing fleeting trends. It's about implementing sustainable, impactful lifestyle changes that resonate with your physiology, setting the stage for a lasting reversal of decline. One of the most potent levers in this blueprint is targeted exercise, resistance training. Think heavy compound movements like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. These aren't just for building muscle. They create significant metabolic stress and micro tears in muscle fibers, signaling a profound need for repair and growth. This triggers a cascade of hormonal responses, including a significant acute increase in testosterone and growth hormone. Regular progressive overload resistance training 3 to 4 times weekly is a non-negotiable cornerstone for stimulating endogenous testosterone synthesis, restructuring your hormonal environment. Complementing resistance training, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, offers another potent hormonal stimulus. Short bursts of maximal effort, followed by brief recovery periods, for 15-20 minutes, elevate growth hormone and consequently testosterone levels. The intense metabolic demand of HIIT signals a need for greater anabolic drive, pushing the body to produce more T. Incorporating 1-2 HIIT sessions weekly synergistically enhances resistance training effects, amplifying natural T-boosting mechanisms. If you're finding these insights valuable and ready to reclaim vitality, please hit that like button and share your biggest takeaway in the comments below. Beyond sweat and strain, your plate holds immense power. Optimal testosterone production demands a finely tuned macronutrient balance. Adequate healthy fats, particularly saturated and monounsaturated from avocados, olive oil, and nuts, are crucial, as cholesterol directly precedes all steroid hormones, including testosterone. Don't fear healthy fats, embrace them. Protein is vital for muscle repair and hormonal health. Complex carbohydrates provide energy for intense workouts and help manage cortisol, indirectly supporting T. Striking this balance, not extreme diets, fuels your body's T-producing machinery efficiently. Crucially, specific micronutrients are non-negotiable cofactors in testosterone synthesis. Zinc, for instance, is directly involved in enzymatic processes converting cholesterol into testosterone. Deficiencies are common and significantly impair production. Similarly, vitamin D, often seen as just a bone vitamin, functions as a steroid hormone itself and plays a pivotal role in regulating testosterone synthesis in the testes. Optimizing intake through diet, supplementation, and safe sun exposure is paramount. These targeted nutritional adjustments, combined with the right exercise, form a powerful, evidence-based foundation for naturally reversing testosterone decline, empowering you to reclaim vigor and vitality. Interferes with the intricate dance of hormonal regulation essential for optimal testosterone production. But understanding these saboteurs is merely the first step. Today, we move beyond the basics, unveiling advanced strategies to reclaim your hormonal health, offering both cutting-edge hacks and crucial reality checks before outlining your next steps. Our journey into advanced T optimization begins with stress management, transcending simple relaxation. While meditation is beneficial, consider delving into techniques like biofeedback, which teaches you to control physiological responses like heart rate and muscle tension, directly impacting the HPA axis and cortisol levels. Advanced mindfulness practices, such as focused attention or body scan meditations, when practiced consistently, can rewire neural pathways, reducing chronic stress's insidious grip on your endocrine system. Specific breathing exercises, like diaphragmatic breathing or box breathing, instantly calm the nervous system, offering immediate cortisol reduction. Next, let's optimize your sleep environment far beyond just darkness and coolness. Think about blue light filters for all screens post-sunset, or even specialized glasses. Consider soundproofing solutions or white noise generators to minimize disturbances. Evaluate your mattress and pillow for ergonomic support, and explore smart climate control systems or cooling pads that maintain an optimal sleep temperature throughout the night, enhancing deep and REM sleep cycles crucial for testosterone synthesis. When it comes to supplements, a critical, evidence-based approach is paramount. The market is saturated with unsubstantiated claims. Focus on micronutrients with strong scientific backing for general health and potential T support, such as vitamin D, if deficient, zinc, and magnesium. Always prioritize third-party tested products and be highly skeptical of proprietary blends, promising miraculous results without transparent ingredient lists or robust human trials. Most T boosters lack significant clinical evidence to support their claims in healthy individuals. Crucially, we must address the realistic limitations of natural interventions. While lifestyle adjustments can significantly improve testosterone levels, especially if they've been suppressed by modern habits, they are not a panacea. Natural methods have their ceiling. For some, particularly those with underlying medical conditions like primary hypogonadism, pituitary issues, or significant age-related decline, even the most diligent lifestyle changes may not restore optimal levels. This is a critical reality check. Natural approaches aim to optimize your body's inherent capacity, not to override severe physiological impairments. Therefore, medical consultation becomes imperative in certain scenarios. If you've implemented comprehensive lifestyle changes and still experience persistent symptoms of low testosterone, such as chronic fatigue, low libido, mood disturbances, or unexplained weight gain, it is absolutely essential to consult a healthcare professional. They can conduct thorough diagnostic tests, including blood work and a physical examination, to accurately diagnose the root cause of your symptoms. Discussing options like testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, should only occur under strict medical supervision, ensuring it's appropriate for your specific condition and monitored safely. Our objective is to empower you with a comprehensive, balanced perspective. Embrace a holistic plan, encompassing advanced stress management, optimized sleep, smart nutrition, and critical supplement evaluation. Yet, always and without exception, prioritize consulting healthcare professionals for personalized guidance, accurate diagnosis, and the safest, most effective path forward for your unique health journey. Your well-being is too important for anything less.